Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 9 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 9 maths and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter variable expressions and equations. The lessons we're going to cover today are identify equivalent linear expressions, which x satisfies an equation. We'll do the final test then. Then we'll start the new chapter as linear inequalities. And the lessons we're going to do is does xy satisfy the inequality from the chapter. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is identify equivalent linear expressions. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I am on grade 9 maths. The chapter name is variable expressions and equations. And we're going to start with the first lesson, that is identify equivalent linear expressions. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, let's start with the first one. Which expression is equivalent to 7 times t plus 2? So basically you are given with the options on the test questions. Got it? You need to see which of the option is equivalent to the given one. Got it? So two expressions are equivalent if they are the same when written in standard form. Like if you write them in standard form, they are the same. Got it? For example, 3 times x plus 4 and 2x plus x plus 12 are equivalent because they have the same standard form, 3x plus 12. Like when you convert them into standard form, they are the same. Like for this one, 3 times x plus 4, basically this one, 3 times x plus 4, you have to do 3 times x, it is 3x, and 3 times 4, it is 12. And here you have 2x and x, when you collect them, it is 3x and plus 12. So they are equivalent. Got it? So write 7 times t plus 2 in standard form. You have to do 7 times t, 7t, and 7 times 2, it is 14. So 7 times t plus 2 and 7t plus 14, they both are equivalent. Got it? So just write down the expression in the standard form. So that would be then equivalent. Got it? Let's just start with the test question so that we can do the practice questions so you can have a look on the tutorial by yourself later today. So let's just start with the test questions. Okay, let's just start with the first one. Which expression is equivalent to 3 times m plus 9? Okay, let me just write down on the board. So it is 3 times. Okay, so just convert it into the standard form. Got it? 3 times m plus 9. You have to do 3 times m, it is 3m. And then you have to do 3 times 9. 3 times 9 is 27. That is basically the distributive property. Got it? So it is then 3m plus 27. So let's just see if we have any option. Yes, the first one, 3m plus 27. So that is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is 2 times 4u. So you have to convert the number that is outside the bracket with everything that is inside the bracket. So 2 times 4 is 8. So it is 8u. Got it? So the correct option is 8u. So the correct option is 8u. Okay, the next one is 6s plus 5s. So which expression is equivalent? So 6s and 5s both have the same variable. You can collect them. Got it? So 6 plus 5 is 11. So it is then 11s. Got it? So the correct option is 11s. That would be the first one. Got it? You have to add up both the numbers 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. So it is then 11s. Okay, the next one is 5 times a plus 7. Just convert it into the standard form. It would be, let me just write it down, 5 times a plus 7. Okay, 5 times a plus 7. Just apply the distributive property. You have to multiply 5 times a, so it is then 5a. Then you have to do 5 times 7, so 5 times 7 is 35. So it is then 5a plus 35. Got it? So the correct option is 5a plus 35. Got it? So the correct option is option number 1, 5a plus 35. Got it? Okay, the next one is which expression is equivalent to 7 times q plus 2. So basically you have to multiply the 7 with everything that is inside the bracket. Got it? So it is then 7q plus 7 times 2 is 14. Got it? So which option is the correct one? The correct one is option number 1. 7q plus 14 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is 7j plus j. So you have to add, they both have the same variables. So 7 plus 1 is 8. So it would be then 8j. Got it? The correct option is 8j. So the correct option is 8j. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 3 times 4z. So just multiply the number that is outside the bracket to the one that is inside the bracket. So it would be 3 times 4 is 12. So it is 3 times 4 is 12z. Got it? So the correct option is 12z. So the correct option is 12z. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 4 times 2h. So 4 times 2 is 8. So it is then 8h. Got it? The correct option is 8h. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 5 times n plus 9. Just convert it into the standard form. You have to multiply the 5 with everything that is inside the bracket. Got it? So it would be then 5n and plus 5 times 9 is 45. Got it? So it is then 5n plus 45. So which option is the correct one? That is option number 1, 5n plus 45. Got it? Okay, the next one is which expression is equivalent to 2v plus 9v? Both of them have the same variable. Just add them. So 5 plus 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. Got it? So it is then 11v. The correct option is 11v. Okay, You can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Got it? And the next lesson is, okay, let me just complete the question because without completing the test, we can't do the finals test. Let me just complete 5 times 8 is 40b. Okay, 7 times t is 70 plus 14 is the correct option. 9 plus 3 is 12p. Okay, 5 times 8 is 40d. Okay, 8 times f is 8fn plus 16. Okay, 3 times 9 plus 3 is 9, 10, 11, 12. It is 12x. Okay, 8k plus 8 times 4 is 32. So that is the correct option. Okay, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is 12g. Okay, 2 times 9 is 18. It is 18c. 6 and 1, 7 and. Okay, we are done with the test. Let's just start with the next lesson. The next lesson is which x satisfies an equation. Okay, which x satisfies an equation. Okay, what value of b is the solution of the equation? You are given with the equation, you have to find the solution of the equation. Got it? Like the first one, 7 plus b equals 9. Basically, you have to calculate the value of the b. Got it? So a solution of an equation is a value of variable that makes the equation true. So to find these solutions, substitute each value of b into the equation. Substitute the b equals 0. Let's just replace b equals 0. You have to find the value of b. So 7 plus 0 equals 9. 7 plus 0 is 7. 7 equals 9. No, that means this isn't the correct option. Got it? Okay, let's suppose b is 2. 7 plus 2 equals 9 equals 9. Both sides of the equation is now equal. That means the correct option is 2. Got it? The solution of the equation is 2. Let's just start with the test question. I'm going to explain an easier way. You don't have to guess the answer, you can find the solution. Got it? Like the first one is 7s equals 4. So the easier answer is just solve the equation for the given variable. Got it? So the given variable is s. Just solve the equation for s. 7 is multiplying to s, so opposite to multiplication is division. 7 and 7 cancel out each other, and s equals 7 times what number is 14? 7 is 2 is 14. So the correct option is s equals 2. Got it? That is how, that is an easier way to solve the equation for the variable. Got it? Or either you are given with the options. You can just, like for this one, 8z equals 24. You are given with two of the options. The options are z equals 3 and z equals 5. You can just substitute the values. Just check for the first one. 8 times 3 equals 24. 8 times 3 is 24 and 24 equals 24. So the both the sides are equal for z equals 3. That means z equals 3 is the solution of the equation. Got it? So the correct option is for this one, the correct option is 3z equals 3. Got it? Okay. The next one is q plus 10 equals 11. So just solve the equation for q. The equation is q plus 10 equals 11. Got it? You have to remove that 10 from here. So you have to subtract 10 both sides. 10 minus 10 is 0. You are left with q here. And 11 minus 10 is 1. That means the value of q equals 1. Got it? So the correct option is 1. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 7z equals 70. So which is the correct option? 7 is multiplying to z, and opposite to multiplication is division. You have to divide both sides of the equation by 7. 7 times what number is 70? 7 times 10 is 70. So the correct option is 10. Got it? Okay, the next one is what value of y is a solution to this equation? 3y equals 33. You have to calculate the value of y. So you have to divide both sides of the equation by 3. So the value of y equals 33 divided by 3 equals 11. So the correct option is 11. Got it? Okay, the next one is what value of c is a solution of this equation? C plus 18 equals 24. So just remove the 18 from the left side. You have to subtract both sides 18. Got it? So 24 minus 18 is 24 minus 18 is 6. So the correct option is 6. Okay, the next one is r plus 4 equals 13. So just subtract 4 both sides. So on the right hand side, 4 minus 4 makes 0. You are left with just r, and 13 subtract 4 equals. So the correct option is r equals 9. Got it? Because r equals 9 makes the equation true. So it would be r equals 9. Okay, the next one is what value of z is a solution of this equation? 10z equals 40. So you have to divide both sides by 10. So then z equals, when you divide both sides of the equation by 10, so it would be then z equals 4. Got it? So the correct option is z equals 4. Okay, the next one is 9 plus p equals 21. So you have to calculate the value of p. Just subtract 9 other sides. So it would be then p equals 12. Got it? So the correct option is p equals 12. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson, and the next lesson is the final test of the chapter. Got it? The final test of the chapter, variable expressions and equations. Got it? So let's just start with the final test. Okay, let's start with the final test of the chapter. Okay, which of the expression is equivalent to 5 times a plus 7? So you have to calculate the expression that is equivalent. Got it? So you have to write them down in standard form. 5 times a plus 7. Let me just do it on board. 5 times a plus 7. Got it? So you have to do 5 times a, and 5 times 7 is 35. So in the standard form, that is equivalent to 5a plus 35. Got it? So the correct option is option number 1. Okay, the next one is what value of a is a solution of the equation? Basically, you have to calculate the value of a. Got it? So it is 5a equals 25. You have to find the very value of a. So divide both sides by 5. So it would be then a equals 5 times what number is 25? 5 times 5 is 25. So it is a equals 5. Got it? The correct option is a equals 5. Okay, the next one is Which expression is equivalent to 6s plus 5s? Both the expressions have the same variables. You can just add them. So 6 plus 5 is 11. Got it? So it is then 11s. Okay, what value of v is a solution to this equation? You have to calculate the value of v. So divide both sides by 3. So the value of v equals, so the correct option is v equals 1. Got it? Okay, which expression is equivalent to 8 times f plus 2? So you have to write it down in the standard form. Got it? 8 times f plus 2. Just multiply 8 times f. So it is 8f. And do 2 times 8. So 2 times 8 is 16. So it would be then 8f plus 16. Got it? The correct option is 8f plus 16. Option number 4 is the correct option. Okay, what value of z is the solution of this equation? 8z equals 24. You have to calculate the value of z. So just divide both sides by 8. So what value of 8 equals 24? 24 over 8 is 8 times. What number is 24? 8 times 3 is 24. So the value of z is 3. Got it? Okay, the next one is 7q equals 77. So what is the value of q? You have to divide both sides by 7. Got it? So when you divide both sides by 7, q equals 11. Got it? So the correct option is 11. Okay, the next one is 7s equals 56. So you have to calculate the value of s. So what is the value of s? 7 times what number is 56? 7 times 8 is 56. So the correct option is s equals 8. Okay, which expression is equivalent to 3g plus 9g? So both of them have the same variables. You can just add their coefficient. So 9 plus 3 is 9 plus 3 is 12. So the correct option is 12g. Okay, the next one is v plus 9 equals 13. So what is the value of v? 13 minus 9 is 4. So the value of v equals 4. Which expression is equivalent to 7 times t plus 2? 7, you have to multiply the number 7 outside the bracket with everything that is inside the bracket. So it would be then 7 times t is 70. 7 times 2 is 14. Got it? So it is 70 plus 14 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is which expression is equivalent to 5 times 8b? 5 times 8 is 40. So it is 40b is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 7s equals 14. So which is the correct option? S equals 7 times 2 is 14. Got it? So the correct option is S equals 2 is the correct option. Okay, which expression is equivalent to 4 times 2h? 4 times 2 is 8. Got it? So it would be 8h is the correct option. Which expression is equivalent to 3 times 4z? So 3 times 4 is 3 times 4 is 12. So it is 12z. Which expression is equivalent to 2 times 9c? So you have to do 2 times 9. So 2 times 9 is 18c. You simply have to multiply 2 to 9. So 2 times 9 is 18c. The next one is what value of r is the solution of this equation? You have to divide both sides by 7. So 7 times 3 is 21. R equals 3. Okay, the next one is c plus 18 equals 24. So what is the value of c? The value of c equals 6. Got it? The correct option is 6. Which expression is equivalent to 9p plus 3p? 9 plus 3 is 12. So it would be 12p. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next chapter. Next chapter I'm going to start is linear inequalities. So let's just start with the lesson linear inequalities. Okay, here is the next lesson linear inequalities, and we're going to start with the first lesson, that is does xy satisfy the inequality. Let's just start with the next first lesson, does xy satisfy the inequality. So basically xy is our order pair you are given with. You have to check if the order pair is the solution of the equation. Got it? Like the first one, yx plus 4y greater than 12. Yx plus 4y greater than 12, and the pair is 10 and 4. This is the order pair. This is the x value and this is the y value. Got it? Just replace the variables with the values. Got it? So replace the x with the value, x with 4 and x with 10 and y with 4. Here you have y 4. Here you have x, that is 10, plus 4 times y is 4. Okay, just solve. 10 times 4 is 40. 4 times 4 is 16. 40 plus 56 is 40 plus 16 is 56. Now we need to see if 56 is greater than 12. So answer is yes or no. Yes, 56 is greater than 12. That means 10 and 4 is the solution of the inequality. Got it? Because it makes the inequality true. So that is the solution of the inequality. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. You can have a look on the tutorial questions by yourself later today. Okay, let's just start. Does the point 10, 8 satisfy the inequality, and the inequality is y is greater than or equal to 9x plus 4. Let me just write it down on board. Y is greater than or equal to 9x plus 4. Okay, and the point is 10 and 8. This is the value of x and this is the value of y. Got it? Just replace all the variables with the value. Y is 8 and 9 times 10 plus 4. So 8 is greater than or equal to 9 times 10 is 90 and 90 plus 4. So it would be 8 is greater than or equal to 94. Is it the 8 is greater than or equal to 94? Yes or no? No. Got it? 8 is less than 94. So the answer is no. This is not the solution of the inequality. Got it? Okay, the next one is, does 10 4 makes the inequality true? That's the one I did on the board, I think. Let me just do it again. Yx plus 4y. Yx plus 4y greater than 12. Point is 10 and 4. This is x and this is y. Okay, just replace all variables with the value. Y is 4, x is 10, plus 4, y is 4, and greater than 12. 4 times 10 is 40, and 4 times 4 is 16. So just add them. 40 plus 16 is 56. 56 is greater than 12, yes or no? Yes, 56 is greater than 12. That means the point 10 and 4 is the solution of the inequality yx plus 4y greater than 12. So the correct option is yes. Okay, the next one is 7 7 a solution of the inequality? The inequality is y is greater than equal to 8x plus 8. Y is greater than equal to 8x plus 8, and variable values are 7 and 7. Okay, just replace the value. 7, 8 times 7 plus 8. 7, 8 times 7 is 56, and 56 plus 8 is 64. 7 is greater than equal to 64, yes or no? No, 7 is not greater than 64. Got it? So the correct option is no. Okay, the next one is, does the point 69 satisfies the equation? The equation is 2x plus 19y less than equal to 2x plus 19y is less than equal to 16, and the point is 6 and 9. This is x and this is 9. Got it? So just replace the values. 2 times 6 plus 19 times 9 less than equal to 16. 2 times 6 is 12, and 19 times 9 is 171. So it is 3. 183 is less than equal to 16. Yes or no? No, 183 is not less than 16. That means this is the 0.69 is not the solution of the equation. Got it? So the correct option is no. That point is not the solution of the equation. Got it? Okay, the next one is, does point 210 make the inequality y is greater than 3x plus 3? Y is greater than equal to 3x plus 3 and the point 2 and 10. This is the x value and this is the y value. So it is 10 is greater than 3 times 2 plus 3. 10 is greater than 3 times 2 is 6 and 6 plus 3 is 9. So 10 is greater than 9. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Got it? 10 is greater than 9. So the correct option is yes. Okay, does the point 73 satisfy the equation 5x plus 8y? 5x plus 8y greater than 1, I think. Maybe the point is 7 and 3. X is 7, y is 3. 5 times 7 plus 8 times 3. 35 plus 8 times 3 is 24. 59 is greater than 1. Is it true or false? 59 is greater than 1. Yes, it is greater. So that means that point 3 is the solution of the equation. So it is inequality. So the answer is yes. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we're working on grade 9 maths. Here is the list of the chapters we have covered. We're working on grade 9 maths. The chapter name is variable expressions and equations. And here is the list of the lessons we have covered today. Identify equivalent linear expressions, which x satisfy an equation. Then we've done with the final test. We've started the new chapter, linear inequalities. And the lesson we just covered is, does xy satisfy the inequality? Got it? So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. Bye everyone.